Hello everyone, this is Shruti Sasmal, the representative of Team CodeSaviors. It's our great pleasure to be able to participate in Smart India Hackathon. Without wasting much time, I would like to get into our idea. So as per the problem statement provided by the Ministry of Home Affairs, a disaster management app is required to be created under which all rescue agencies can be registered either manually or automated by GPS along with their location showed in a map. The main theme of this problem statement is communication among agencies to collaborate on shared resources to be able to coordinate and provide aid more efficiently. In our idea, we provide these features along with communication even without internet or network. In dire situations, we use a mesh network to be able to send alerts and collaboration requests. Our proposed model name is RescueNet. So to get a better understanding of how RescueNet works, let's dive into the schematic diagram of RescueNet. So as we can see here, when an incident or disaster takes place, an informant informs about the severity of it to the Disaster Management Authority. After knowing that, the Disaster Management Authority estimates the resources required for that. After resource estimation, the next step is maximized needs agency pairings, in which we find out which agency can provide which needs, or which needs can be provided by which agency. After the pairing, the next step is optimal lead agency assignment, where we find out an agency which can provide most of the resources or all of the resources with the most favorable conditions. After assigning the lead agency, we send an alert to them, and after that we check if the lead agency have all resources and needs available or not. If yes, then they execute tasks. If no, then collaboration analysis is done. In collaboration analysis, the resources unavailable is checked with which agency can provide them. After analyzing and finding out the most suitable agencies to collaborate for the shared resources that are unavailable to the lead agencies, an alert and collaboration request is sent through a mesh network. After that, the next step is the optimized resource team formation. Here what we do we basically use the least amount of resources to gain the most amount of outcome. After optimized resource team formation, on-site analysis is done to check if there is any resource deficiency or not. If yes, then we go back to the step of maximized needs agency pairing. If no, then we go on team formation and task assignment step. After forming team and assigning tasks, we go on to executing tasks. After executing tasks, it is then checked if any more tasks are remaining or not. If yes, then we go back to the step of team formation and task assignment. If no, then all tasks are accomplished. Now let's have a look at the innovative approach of RescueNet. We provide multilingual support to solve the cross-border communication problem. Next, we have offline alert generation in case of no network or internet situations. Next, we have communication through chat and file sharing also available. Then we have registration through biometric authorization and role-based access to the central database with two-factor authentication. Next, we have guided collaboration between different agencies. And at the end, we have a comprehensive, timely, location-based interactive platform. For in-depth understanding of the flow of RescueNet, we can refer to the flowchart of RescueNet. The first step to be taken for the app is the registration process. From our research, we classified it into 3 types. So registering person can register as an administrator or a coordinator or a responder. It will be done through OTP process. For logging in step, we have biometric authentication to ensure security and privacy, along with no need for OTP in case of no network situations. When a natural or man-made disaster happens, then an alert is sent through the app to the agencies nearby. With the alert, a map is shown to locate the disaster area and the agencies nearby, and a description box with major details about the disaster is also shown. Different types of alerts will be sent. First one to alert nearby agencies about the disaster, then another to the most suitable rescue agency that can deal with that situation better. Then the agency will form a team and dispatch. While carrying out tasks, if any resources or manpower deficiency arises, another alert will be sent and another agency will dispatch a team to deal with. Team formation and task assigning will be done on site because that will be a more practical approach. More to that, live updates can also be given to higher authorities by the ones carrying out the tasks. In addition, we have a communication tab providing basic features like messaging, voice calls, video calls, and a directory of registered officials. For security and privacy, we have AES and JWT. Overall, we are planning to create an app that can communicate and collaborate easily even without network or internet connection. That's all. Thank you for the audience.